Good morning, students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss new unit, that is your redox reaction. My dear students, you know redox reaction is made up of two words. One is your red and another is your ox. Red stands for your reduction, while ox stands for your oxidation. It means reduction and oxidation reaction, they are collectively known as redox reaction. So we can write reduction and oxidation reactions. Reduction and oxidation reactions are collectively known as redox रिएक्शन. इनको हम लोग कलेक्टिवली रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन कहते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई वी यूज द टर्म कलेक्टिवली? बिकॉज नाइदर ऑक्सीडेशन नॉर रिडक्शन रिएक्शन occur separately. However, they occur simultaneously. That's why they are referred as your redox reaction. Now the question is, what is the meaning of oxidation and what is the meaning of reduction? So first of all we have oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction, it is defined as the addition of oxygen or oxygen like any such electronegative element. इसके कहने का मतलब है कि या तो आपका एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो या नहीं तो ऑक्सीजन लाइक इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट का एडिशन. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन लाइक इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट? Such as your addition of fluorine, such as your addition of chlorine, such as your addition of bromine, such as your addition of iodine, such as your addition of sulfur. तो इनका भी एडिशन अगर होता है then your reaction will be oxidation. For example, if I write Mg plus O2, this will give MgO. You balance it, so it is 2Mg plus O2. This will give MgO. Now this magnesium is solid, this oxygen is gas, while this MgO is again solid. तो ये स्टेट आप मेंशन कर दीजिए तो और भी अच्छा है. Now what happens here? Magnesium converted into your magnesium oxide. The question is how magnesium is converted into magnesium oxide. We can write after addition of oxygen. After addition of oxygen, magnesium is converted to magnesium oxide. So conversion of magnesium to magnesium oxide, this reaction is known as your oxidation. Now the another definition of oxidation is it may be your addition of oxygen like element, that is your electronegative element. For example, if I consider Mg plus Cl2, it is your MgCl2. अब इस केस में आप देखिए your magnesium is converted to magnesium chloride. In this case, this magnesium is your solid state, this chlorine is gas, and this MgCl2 you can say it is your solid. Now this magnesium is converted to magnesium chloride. भाई ये कन्वर्सन कैसे हो रहा है? तो ये हो रहा है आपको by addition of Cl2. Now chlorine is your electronegative element. So addition of electronegative element is also referred as your oxidation. Now the question is there any other definition of your oxidation reaction? Then the answer is yes. Another definition is oxidation reaction may be defined as the removal of hydrogen or hydrogen like electropositive element. Hydrogen or hydrogen like electropositive एलिमेंट. तो अगर रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन भी हो या रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट भी हो, तब भी हम उस रिएक्शन को ऑक्सीडेशन कहेंगे या ऑक्सीडेशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी कंसीडर रिएक्शन लाइक HCl. आप HCl को हीट करिए या किसी भी तरीके से मान लीजिए ब्रेक कर दीजिए. Then this HCl will be converted to your H2 gas and Cl2 gas. ये HCl है, HCl aqueous होगा, so ये HCl will be converted to your H2 or Cl2, चाहे HCl गैस ही क्यों ना हो. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि when this HCl converted to this chlorine, then how this HCl converted to this chlorine? So HCl is converted to chlorine when we remove hydrogen from HCl. So what is removal of hydrogen? Removal of hydrogen is your oxidation. So there is removal of hydrogen. So again this process is referred as your oxidation. Similarly, let us suppose if we consider the compound like MgO, magnesium oxide. हम इस magnesium oxide की बात करें. Now this magnesium oxide is solid. If we heat, it will be converted to your magnesium and oxygen. Now this magnesium oxide is converted to your oxygen. कहता है कि ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड मान लीजिए इस ऑक्सीजन में बदल रहा है. तो ये तभी बदला है जब इससे मैंने मैग्नीशियम को हटा दिया है, जब हमने इससे मैग्नीशियम को रिप्लेस किया है. मैग्नीशियम इज योर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट. मैग्नीशियम कैसा एलिमेंट है? तो इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट है, और इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट का रिमूवल ही आपका ऑक्सीडेशन कहलाता है. सो दिस इज योर ऑक्सीडेशन. नाउ what is actually reduction? What is actually your reduction? So first of all you define reduction. It is defined as it is defined as the addition of hydrogen. It is defined as the addition of hydrogen or hydrogen-like electropositive element. या तो आप हाइड्रोजन का एडिशन कर दें या तो आप हाइड्रोजन की तरह कोई इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट का एडिशन कर दें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज योर क्लोरीन. This is your chlorine gas. Now in this chlorine gas, if we add hydrogen gas, then it will form your HCl gas. ठीक है, ये क्लोरीन गैस है, आपने इसमें हाइड्रोजन गैस ऐड करा. Now naturally you will get HCl gas. So when this chlorine gas is converted to HCl, then we have already added hydrogen. So here is your addition of hydrogen. So what is addition of hydrogen? This is your reduction. आप कह सकते हैं यहाँ जो है वो क्या हुआ, reduction हुआ. Similarly, if we consider O2, this is your O2 gas, and if you add magnesium solid, this will be converted to your मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. ये देखिए यहाँ 2 कर दीजिए, यहाँ बैलेंस में 2 कर दीजिए. तो अब आप कह सकते हो कि when oxygen is converted to magnesium oxide, there is addition of magnesium. There is addition of magnesium, and magnesium is electropositive element. And addition of electropositive element is nothing, it is your reduction. तो इस तरह से हम रिडक्शन को भी डिफाइन करते हैं. नाउ देयर इज वन मोर डेफिनेशन फॉर रिडक्शन, दैट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिमूवल. सो रिडक्शन may be defined as the removal of oxygen. Reduction is may be defined as the removal of oxygen. Oxygen or oxygen-like electronegative element. क्योंकि एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन जो है वो रिडक्शन यदि है तो रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन विल बी योर रिडक्शन, बिकॉज द नेचर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन इज रिवर्स. रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी कंसीडर मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, solid, and then we heat it, we can say this is magnesium solid and this is O2 gas. Now what happens from magnesium oxide if we remove oxygen? आप देखिए इस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड से मैंने ऑक्सीजन हटा दिया तो मैग्नीशियम बन गया. Now here is your removal of oxygen. Here is your removal of oxygen, and this removal of oxygen is your reduction. तो इस तरीके से हम लोग ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन को डिफाइन करते हैं. नाउ रिडक्शन इज आल्सो रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी हैव मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड, दिस एज फॉर सल्फर, मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड, एंड दिस एज फॉर सॉलिड. ये एस जो है वो किसके लिए है, सॉलिड के लिए भी, और मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड इज सॉलिड. So if we have magnesium sulfide, इसको मिटा दीजिए so that there should not be any confusion, then it will be converted to your magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium भी solid है और sulfur भी solid है. Now how magnesium sulfide converted to magnesium? That is removal of sulfur. Now sulfur is your electronegative element. Removal of electronegative element that is your reduction. So this is your definition of oxidation and reduction. Now the question is, why basically the reaction is referred as your redox reaction? सवाल उठता है कि तब हम रिएक्शन को रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन क्यों कहते हैं या रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन क्यों लिखते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी राइट द रिएक्शन ऑफ दिस टाइप H2 gas plus say Cl2 gas, this will form suppose 2HCl gas. कोई एक रिएक्शन को आप कंसीडर करिए और आप देखेंगे कि ये रिएक्शन दोनों ही प्रकार का होगा, दोनों ही टाइप का होगा. मीन्स इट इज एन ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन एज वेल एज इट इज ए रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. ये दोनों ही तरह का रिएक्शन होगा. कैसे दोनों तरह का रिएक्शन होगा? योर H2 इज कन्वर्टेड टू HC. भाई H2 आपका HCl में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है एंड अगेन योर Cl2 is converted to HCl. Now how H2 is converted to HCl? By adding chlorine. Chlorine means electronegative element. So what is addition of electronegative element? That is your oxidation. So this reaction is oxidation. Naturally this reaction is your reduction. So as oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, hence it is known as redox reaction. क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन is converted to HCl by addition of your chlorine. Chlorine means electronegative element. So this process is your oxidation. While chlorine is converted to HCl by your addition of hydrogen. My dear student, आप देख चुके हैं addition of hydrogen is simply your reduction. So you can say this process is reduction. So oxidation and reduction, they occur simultaneously and that's why they are referred as your redox reaction. Now you may consider another example. सबसे simple example आप लीजिए. The simplest example is your formation of water. If we consider formation of water. Now formation of water, you know, this is H2 gas, this is O2 gas and this is your H2O liquid. ये तो रिएक्शन आप सब जानते हैं. You are studying from class 6 or class 7. तो इसमें हाइड्रोजन is converted to water, oxygen is also converted to water. हाइड्रोजन कैसे वाटर में कन्वर्ट हुआ? By adding oxygen. So addition of oxygen is your oxidation. How oxygen is converted to water? By adding hydrogen. So what is addition of hydrogen? Addition of hydrogen is your reduction. So can we say it is a redox reaction? So this reaction is a redox reaction. वैसे हम आपको बता दें कि ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हर रिएक्शन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन ही हो, बट बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन वी कैन से where there will be oxidation, there must be reduction. So such a reaction is known as your redox reaction. Now next is redox reaction. Redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. Redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. So the very important definition, oxidation is defined as the process Oxidation is defined as the process which is followed by the loss of electron, which is followed by the loss of electrons. Okay. However, reduction is defined as the process. Reduction is defined as the process which is followed by the gain of electrons, आप देखिए कि मैंने दो लाइन को अंडरलाइन किया है. वन इज योर लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, अनदर इज योर गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो वी कैन राइट LOE is your oxidation, while GOE is your reduction in short. We can write in short, LOE means loss of electron, is your oxidation, ox for oxidation, and GOE, that is your gain of electron, and that is for your reduction. So loss of electron is your oxidation, gain of electron is your reduction. Now let us discuss with the help of some example. For example, if I write a very simple example, the example is, say this is your magnesium solid. This is your magnesium solid. Now this magnesium solid will lose 2 electrons to form magnesium ion. आयन जब भी बनता है तो एक्वस में बनता है. That's why I have written Mg2+. या मान लीजिए किसी बच्चे को दिक्कत हो तो केवल वो शॉर्ट में ऐसे समझे कि मैग्नीशियम विल गिव 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड फॉर्म से मैग्नीशियम आयन. ठीक है, कोई कंफ्यूजन अगर है इतना तो हम लिख ही सकते हैं. दिस इज परफेक्ट, बट यू मे राइट लाइक this in brief. However, we can write sulfur at S. Sulfur is solid and this will take up 2 electron to form your sulfide ion, that is S2 minus. This ion is known as your sulfide ion. Ion exists in your aqueous form. तो इसको भी सिंपली कोई लिख सकता था, सल्फर प्लस 2 electron, this will give sulfide ion. So here is loss of electron, we can say this is oxidation. Here is gain of electron, this is your reduction. See, this is electron gain, this is electron loss. Now somebody asks you कि यहाँ तो आप ऑक्सीडेशन अलग दिखा रहे हैं, रिडक्शन अलग दिखा रहे हैं, दोनों को अलग अलग दिखा रहे हैं, then how it can be a redox reaction? Now dear student, they cannot occur separately, they always occur in a combined form. How they occur in combined form? Actually this is your magnesium solid. When this combine with your sulfur solid, this will give you magnesium sulfide solid. ये बना रहा है मैग्नीशियम सल्फर के साथ जब कंबाइन करेगा तो वह आपको मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड बनाएगा. तो ठीक है, मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड बनाएगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ दिस रिएक्शन विल अकर. नाउ इफ यू एनालाइज मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड, डियर स्टूडेंट, if you analyze magnesium sulfide, okay, this is magnesium sulfide. Now what is the charge on magnesium? 2 plus. And what is the charge on sulfur? 2 minus. Now the question is how your magnesium solid converted into your magnesium ion. Now this magnesium ion will form by your loss of electron. So there is loss of 2 electron, and that 2 electron is accepted by your sulfur, and this will gain 2 electron, that is there is gain of electron and form sulfide ion. Now this magnesium ion and this sulfide ion, they are bonded with your ionic bond. They are bonded with your ionic bond. As you know, magnesium sulfide is an ionic compound. आप जानते हो कि मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड कौन सा कंपाउंड है? तो आयोनिक कंपाउंड है। तो इस तरीके से भी आप रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। से अनदर एग्जांपल, it is given in your book, that is the formation of your sodium chloride. Formation of your sodium chloride. तो यदि आप सोडियम क्लोराइड का फॉर्मेशन लो, formation of sodium chloride solid. Now what happens? This is sodium and this is chlorine gas. You know sodium, that is solid, this is your chlorine gas. They combine to give sodium chloride solid. इसको बैलेंस कर दीजिए, 2 मोल हो गए। Now the question is, in this sodium formation of sodium chloride, here is 2, balance करिए। Now sodium will lose 2 electron. We can write sodium will lose 2 electron. So there is loss of electron. So this reaction is your oxidation. However, here Cl2, it will gain 2 electron to form your chloride ion. So we can write, in this case there is gain of 2 electrons, gain of finally 2 electron. Actually 1 chlorine will gain 1 electron, 2 chlorine will gain 2 electron. So this process is your reduction. ये आपका क्या कहलाया? रिडक्शन कहलाया। तो ये था आपको रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन in terms of electron transfer.